going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Keystone Outback. This is going to be their 340BH floor plan. Now the BH is going to stand for Bunkhouse, and it's going to be towards the rear of this travel trailer, and you'll see it when we get in the inside. But you have one slide out on the campsite here, as well as a good size awning. If we make our way towards the back of the travel trailer, you're going to see your massive outdoor kitchen. You have a fridge to keep your drinks cold, definitely oversized, 2-burner cooktop, sink, plenty of storage, really a good looking outdoor kitchen. But if we make our way forward, you see that you have solid steps underneath that entry door. And if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start with your living room area. You have your entertainment center. The TV is on a televator with your sound system in the middle. You have a fireplace down below. Little nifty pocket door storage area off of it. And then across from your entertainment center, you're going to find your theater seating. The theater seating does recline. You do have remote storage in the middle, cup holders in the middle. And then next to that, we're going to move on to the dining area, kitchen area. So you have a dinette, does fold into a bed. A little bit of pantry storage right off of the kitchen. And then take a look at this kitchen area. Huge kitchen island. You have a 3-burner cooktop, microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, plenty of storage throughout that kitchen island, which we love to see. And then, like I said, at the very back of this travel trailer, you're going to find your bunk room. So on the left-hand side, you have some storage, little ladder to get up there. You have windows all throughout. On the right side, you have a flip-down bunk and a couch that does fold into a bed. But if we move towards the middle, we're going to run into the bathroom. It's going to be down this hallway to the left. You're going to find your porcelain toilet. You have a medicine cabinet, pretty good sized shower with a skylight above. You also have another medicine cabinet across from the other medicine cabinet with your sink and storage down below. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your main bedroom. So this is going to be a queen size bed. Obviously, you do have storage surrounding it, just like every other travel trailer. One of the things that I do like about this bedroom and throughout the rest of the travel trailer is these LED light strips up top. Really aesthetically pleasing. Okay, you have windows on either side of this bed, as well as your TV backer directly across. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Keystone Outback 340BH. Thank you so much. Have a great day.